Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a Midjourney account online. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.midjourney.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Midjourney. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. Right here on the bottom of the screen, you can either join the beta version or simply sign in. Click on any one of those. I'm gonna click on the sign in button right here. Now it's gonna redirect me to a new page. Now it will open up something like this. You need to be connected with your Discord account. Simply scroll down and click on authorize. And as you can see, we have successfully signed up and signed in to our Midjourney account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we create a Midjourney account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.